So this little video is for my friends who are using a nebulizer with iodine in the nebulizer for helping with when you get sick, when you've got runny nose, when you've got sore throat, when you're wanting to kill bugs. So we use iodine, and there's only one brand of iodine we use, and that's Lugal solution. When we just start getting symptoms, we will use this this system. And if we're really sick, I would use the nebulizer probably at least three times a day. If you're not really sick, morning and night is fine, or even just once a day, but I use it twice a day when I'm not too bad. I've used it for stopping the phlegm going to the chest, so getting bronchitis. It's incredibly good for bronchitis. Let me go through the way we use it. This is the nebulizer, and it has water in it, just halfway filled. We take the lid off, and we're putting just one drop of the iodine to start with. So I have the one drop of Lugal's iodine in the water, and now we're going to use it for 5 minutes to start with, and by the end of the 5 minutes this will be clear. So you're taking deep breaths, just breathing the vapour in. So as you can see, the water is clear, and we just add another drop and use that for 5 minutes again, and one more drop. So you've got 3 times, one drop each 5 minutes until the water is clear. And that's as easy as it gets.